Welcome to Polaris Academy's biology series. Biology is the natural science that studies life and living organisms. It includes their physical structure, chemical processes, and molecular interactions. Today, we begin our journey into the secrets of nature. What is bios and logos? The term biology is derived from the ancient Greek language. The word bios means life, and logos means study or knowledge. Therefore, biology literally means the study of life. It is one of the oldest and most important branches of science. The scope of biology. Biology is a vast field with many different branches of study. It ranges from the microscopic world of bacteria to the global ecosystem. Biologists study how organisms grow, reproduce, and interact with their environment. Everything from a tiny ant to a giant tree is part of this science. Why do we study biology? Understanding biology helps us understand the world around us. It explains how our bodies work and how we stay healthy. It also provides solutions to global problems like diseases and climate change. Learning biology is essential for protecting the future of our planet. The hierarchy of life. Life on Earth is organized into different levels of complexity. It starts from atoms and molecules, leading to cells, tissues, and organs. These organs work together to create a complete living organism. Understanding these levels is the first step to mastering biology. The power of the microscope. Most of the biological world is invisible to the naked eye. We use powerful microscopes to see tiny structures like cells and bacteria. These tools have allowed scientists to discover the building blocks of life. Without technology, our knowledge of biology would be very limited. Living versus non-living. How do we distinguish a living bird from a non-living rock? Living things share specific characteristics like movement, respiration, and sensitivity. They also require energy and have the ability to adapt to their environment. Biology focuses on these unique properties of life. Energy and metabolism. All living organisms need energy to survive and function properly. Plants get energy from the sun, while animals get it by consuming food. This process of converting nutrients into energy is called metabolism. It is a vital chemical reaction that happens in every cell. Cell, the unit of life. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of every living thing. Some organisms consist of only one cell, while others have trillions of them. Each cell carries the genetic information needed for life to continue. We will explore the amazing world of cells in our next lessons. Genetics and DNA. Why do we look like our parents? The answer lies in genetics. DNA is the molecule that carries all the instructions for an organism's development. It acts like a blueprint for life, determining our traits and characteristics. Biology helps us decode this mysterious language of life. Ecosystems and nature. Organisms do not live alone. They interact with their environment. An ecosystem consists of all living things in a specific area and their surroundings. Biology studies these complex relationships to help protect nature. Every species plays a critical role in maintaining the balance. Evolution and adaptation. Life is constantly changing through a process called evolution. Organisms adapt to their environment over millions of years to survive better. This diversity of life is what makes our planet so unique and beautiful. Biologists track these changes to understand our history. Health and medicine. Biology is the foundation of modern medicine and healthcare. By studying viruses and bacteria, scientists develop vaccines and treatments. It also helps us understand the importance of nutrition and exercise. A better understanding of biology leads to a longer and healthier life. Agriculture and food. Biology plays a huge role in how we produce our food. Scientists use biological knowledge to improve crop yields and protect plants. It helps us find sustainable ways to feed the growing human population. Biology is not just in books, it is on our dinner tables too. The future of biology. The future of biology includes exciting fields like biotechnology and gene editing. These technologies could help cure diseases that are currently impossible to treat. However, they also bring important ethical questions that we must consider. The next generation of scientists will shape this future. Conclusion and next steps. This was our first step into the wonderful world of biology. In the coming videos, we will dive deeper into cells, animals, and plants. Don't forget to practice the new English words we learned today. See you in the next lesson at Polaris Academy. Thank you for watching.